use early labor.
Okay. You guys. All I want for Christmas is a durian, a bag, a car, a puppy, a fan, a snowman, a reindeer, a baby, peas, wife? Yeah, wife. Train, happiness. Airplane. Airplane, light, painting. TV. TV. Water! Didn't you water? TV. Oh, that just totally just. Oh, okay. Let's go back over here. Okay. What was before the TV? Before the TV was a painting. Okay, painting. TV. Oh, shit. Tree. Tree. Lamp. Elephant. Tea. Tea after tea was, I believe that was you. That was house. After house was after house we skipped a few people and then we went to Gordon and then we went to a pillow and then presents. After presents we had nobody over there. Door, handle. Shoes. After shoes. Did anybody else go over there? I don't think shoes. Then you said helicopter. And then you said, oh, mirror. Is that it?
That's not fair. There's two brains in there.
Two brains.
And
Second baby.
peace.
No, we already got peas.
Oh wait, he
I
takes
thought
it.
she said peas.
No.
There's a piece.
She said peas.
Okay. Oh, you can say pee.
No. Angel.
Oh.